How to share screen from laptop to smart TV. Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to share screen from laptop to TV. I'll teach you two methods. This method will blow your mind. First, we want to connect the TV. So go to settings. Under settings, you go to network and internet, and yes, it's connected. Now we want to connect the laptop to the same Wi-Fi. So both of them have the same internet. So I'll go to the Wi-Fi icon, click on it, and yes, it's connected. Next on the laptop, look for Windows and letter key, the Windows sign and letter key like this. Windows letter key. Now it gives me the option of my TV. My smart TV is there, Smart TV Pro. So I'll click on it. Here is the trick. If you have a Miracast, automatically it projects, but I don't. See what happens. It doesn't. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Simply go to your Chrome on your laptop, open it, and after opening it, go to your right corner, the topmost right. There are three dots at the topmost right. Click on that three dots. Now this pane drops. Scroll all the way down to Cast, Save and Share. Now on the left, another pane is open. Go under Cast, the icon under Cast, click. Now I have access to my smart TV. But first go to Source to cast the screen. Now cast screen. Beautifully done. Now we can connect to our smart TV. And here it's connected. So I can do whatever I want to do on it. But first I need to close this pane that is opening there by clicking X. When I'm done, I can play YouTube. Let's play one video. I can also decide to watch it in full screen or just leave it. I'm leaving it like that. I can play as much video as I want and increase the volume too on the laptop. Isn't that amazing? So when I'm done, to stop sharing, I can use these two methods. First, on the topmost right, I can click on X sign at the topmost right like this, and that will stop sharing the screen. Next, I'm going to use the second method. Go to the same three icons, click on it. You get the backdrop that's opened before. So you click on it and get that same backdrop. Go to Cast, Save and Share the way you've done before. Now go to the cast and the icon underneath. Click on it. Now you see the option to stop. So I'm going to stop sharing. Isn't that beautiful? So that is how to share screen from laptop to TV.